there, everyone. Welcome to the new year 2022. It's so good to be back with you guys. I'm wishing you guys all the best this year. So, this hair is in collaboration with Luvmehair, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything this hair comes with. I hope you guys enjoy watching. So, without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Alrighty, you guys, so this is a bulb Yaki texture glueless lace front wig. It does come pre-styled like a side part, but I went ahead and styled it to my liking. I did not pluck this unit. It does come pre-plucked, but if you know how to pluck your units, you can definitely go for it. I did not do that. I just styled it into a center part to suit my liking. It does not shed at all, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this unit off camera, and then I'll come back to style the unit for you guys to see what's up. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna share my thoughts with you guys, what I think about this unit. Please watch the video to the end. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the next day, and this is what this unit is looking like. I want to wear this unit as a center part. I have the tailored crown lace overlay liquid here. I like it. I wouldn't say I love it, but I like it. So I'm gonna use this on the lace, but not all over the lace, because I already have my wig cap covered in makeup already. But I'm just gonna do this just a little bit, like a tiny bit of that. That's what it looks like right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does look like this right now. And I'm gonna go over that with a little makeup brush here. I'm trying not to mess up with this hair, you guys, because it's a lot of work. Okay, it's time to put it on. I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses contour powder palette, and I'm gonna go in with, where is my brush? I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I don't know, this shade right here and this one right here. I'm gonna use those because I find that the other colors are too, like, a little bit darker for my skin tone, so I'm just gonna use that, not too much. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the finished look of this Luvmehair Yaki straight bob glueless lace wig. As you can see, it does look really pretty on me. I love how realistic and natural this looks on me. It was easy to style. I do have a low, like, how would I describe my hairline? Like a low hairline, so it's like almost impossible not to do too much baby hair. I had to, like, take my baby hair, like, out of the way so you guys can see what it looks like. I only had to focus on this side from the clips I showed you, and this is what it looks on me. I really love the texture of this unit. I love the lace of it. It's really soft and easy to manage. I'll just have to clean this a little bit. I feel like it's a little bit too much. I don't know how it shows on camera, but okay, this is nice. Okay, so I had to co-wash the hair off camera because I didn't want the video to be too long, and I decided to straighten the hair as I showed you guys on camera so you can see how I did it. All the products I used for this unit is going to be linked down in the description box below if you're interested in getting it. And it does take heat pretty well, so the hair is really nice. The only thing about this unit that I don't like, which I love Luvmehair, but the only thing about this unit is the smell. When I received this unit, when I, like, from the first clip I showed you guys the unit, I didn't seem to perceive any smell at the time. It was okay. I guess if I had styled the unit straight out of the box, I wouldn't have had to perceive the smell that I perceived after co-washing the hair. So after co-washing the hair, I started, like, perceiving this wig is like a, I don't know, like a wig smell, the regular wig smell. But this one was really, like, it was so strong. My restroom, the hallway was smelling of the wig, so I had to use my air freshener, co-wash the hair again. I don't know, the smell seemed to have reduced, but probably next time when I would co-wash this unit, I will have to leave it in the water, leave it there for like a long period of time before I would go rinse it off. That's the only thing that I noticed about this unit. Exception of that, this unit, it's beautiful. If you're new to my channel, this is the second time I've had to blah, blah, blah. This is the second time I've had to collaborate with Luvmehair, and so far I love their units. The first unit I received was a headband wig. That is my favorite headband wig so far. I love the curls of that wig. It's so beautiful. It's like my favorite headband wig, hands down. I'm gonna leave the video up on the screen or down in the description box so you go look it up. This is my second unit from Luvmehair. I love the unit. This one, I love it so much because it mimics my natural hair. Again, the lace is easy to work with. If you're new to my channel, you know I don't like, my hairline is almost impossible to style with lace front units, but I've been able to come up with tricks to style my lace front units. If you have this hairline, just like try to work things out and you'll be fine with any lace front wig you receive. This one is really easy to style, and I love the way it turned out. I'm so excited for this one. I love the length, I love the density, I love the texture, I love everything about this unit. I know it will look good on you. Don't forget to check Luvmehair for your affordable units. I'm gonna leave the details of this unit down in the description box below so you go look it up. And that's gonna be about it for this video, you guys. Look at this unit. It's so pretty. It's like, it doesn't look like the regular Yaki lace front wig that is so bulky. This looks really natural. You heard me, it's natural. It looks so good. I love the way it looks on me, you guys. I'm gonna do like a 360 so you can see what's up. Okay.